It's easy to get your Alfa Romeo radio code. Here's how to get your Alfa Romeo code instantly online. First go to instant-radio-codes.com and click on Alfa Romeo. Next choose the model of Alfa Romeo and the radio you want to code for. Lastly, find the part number and serial numbers on the side of the radio. Getting the correct part number is important in order to get the correct Alfa Romeo radio code. Here's where you're likely to find those. Everything's ready now for you to get your radio code on screen, so click Next. On this page you're confirming all the details, including that important part number, and letting us know the name and address we'll be emailing the Alfa Romeo radio code to. The radio code will also be shown instantly on screen after the payment. Lastly, choose a payment option. All payment options are guaranteed secure. Once payment's complete, both the Alfa Romeo radio code and the instructions will appear on screen instantly, as well as being emailed to you immediately.